What's that one?
Purple people eater.
No.
A blue popper.
Close.
Blue slinky.
No.
Blue elbow.
No.
It's a blue elbow.
Okay. Is that your final guess?
That's my final guess.
Okay. That.
Belt buckle.
No.
Belt buckle.
No.
Clapper.
Is that your final guess?
Clapper's final guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
That.
It's a pineapple. It's a pineapple popper. Pimple popper? Pimple popper. It's a pineapple pimple popper.
You were close with popper.
Oh. Snapper. A pineapple snapper. Okay, last final. Pineapple snapper.
Okay.
Okay. This I do know. It's a dimple.
You're really close.
There's
a word before that. That rhymes with dimple.
Simple dimple.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And now this.
This one is a simple dimple though too, isn't it? A simple dimple.
No, that's a simple dimple.
Oh, okay. This is just a dimple.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Okay.